Well, today is the highway's right close by. Today's the 23rd of October 2023, and here at Guadalupe Mountains National Park here in Texas. And we're going to do a long hike today. I think it's going to be almost 7 miles here or something, but the weather's cool, so it's nice. Little clouds up there, see some mountains up there. So yeah, all right. See you on the trail. All right. This is Guadalupe Mountains. We're going to go in there somewhere. I don't know where. We're going to be hiking around in there. But we'll have to see there a little bit later on. All right. Well, we're at 5,000 feet here, so we're up pretty high here. So a little bit less oxygen to breathe here, but McKittrick Canyon. This is where the hike's going to start here in a few minutes here. All right.
Is the assembly of life that took 1 billion years to evolve. It has eaten the storms, folded them into its genes, and created the world that created us. It holds the world steady. Variations in the environmental characteristics within a region often result in a variation of species that inhabit that region. Guadalupe Mountains National Park has many significant and distinctive environmental qualities within this extremely rugged landscape that provide opportunity for unique and contrasting life zones.
Have a little stop right here. We're going to go down there, I think.
Do not cross this line.
Another dry riverbed that we're going to cross here. I guess when we get heavy rains, these could flood out here quite a bit. Gotta watch my step down here because we got a lot of rocks here. But it's up there and down there too. All right. Now we're coming up on a little water here. You got all these rocks which could flood out and be covered in water if you have any heavy rain. Trail's kind of marked here, and I watch my step here. There's water. So yeah, I'm going to do a little crossing here in the water. It looks pretty clear too. Yeah. Well, this is how most of the trail is, just this gravel stuff. I'm still picking them up, putting them down here, but it's all a slight incline the whole way going up. The first part, there were some steep steps, but the rest of it's just gradual incline. You can tell you're going uphill, but loose stones and whatever. It's very nice and wide here. Okay. Got another little water crossing here, and then we got all those flat rocks up there. We gotta pick our spot here where we're going to go. Oh, well, we do it right up there. We're going to have to go in the water. Okay. I'm just walking ahead a little bit to the next part of the trail here so I can get a vid. But it goes up here in between the trees. And we have that little creek down there. And I think we're going to go up there. All right. Looks like another riverbed here, dry. Where the trail is going to go up here. And we're just going to keep on following. We still got a good portion of a mile to go yet before we get to the cabin where we can have our lunch and rest. Maybe 6/10 of a mile, being optimistic. Okay. The kid, yours truly, has made it to the entrance to where the cabin is. You can see these rocks. A little steep climb up this last bit, admittedly. The kid's a bit tired here. A little bit out of breath. I should have brought my neck fan because even though it's cloudy and it's not, I don't think it's above 80, I'm still hot, carrying this heavy backpack. And be glad to sit down, have my sandwich, relax for a few minutes. All right, press on. Here's the cabin coming into view. All right. I get up here, find a spot to sit down and relax. Okay. Big old slab here for a nice rock table in the back of the cabin. all boarded up. People used to live up here many, many years ago. Yeah, coming around the front here. Okay, there we go. Rest and relaxation.
Pratt Lodge, you'll see it sometimes written that way. This was the vacation home of Wallace Pratt. He came here first in 1921. He was a 36-year-old petroleum geologist working for Humble Oil in Houston. Born in Kansas, grew up in Kansas, went to the University of Kansas, got a geology degree there.
Well, this is the cabin inside. Looks pretty nice in here. Nice living room.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, very nice fireplace. Big tall ceilings up there. Got your kitchen back here, your stove. Potbelly stove there. Bedroom over here.
One or two bedrooms.
Ah.
Bathroom there, we took out the fish from
Well, this is the bedroom here. Very nice. There used to be a fireplace back there, but nice bedroom. Big ceiling up there. You got your bathroom here. They had running water here. Got your tub, your sink. Basic needs of life there.